Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G53 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open the Play Store app and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. So now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click Enable in Settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher, click twice to OK, and go back to the application. Then click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's go back to the application and not to the application, but to use, for example, the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.